And they're away and racing for the third race, which is the Interval Poonawalla Limited Trophy. Even dispatched from the gate by all the 6 runners, and as the field settles down, they're going away from us. It's Mount Olympus, the leader, showing plenty of speed, 2.5 lengths ahead of Momentum in second. Rosu is third towards the inside. 3/4 of a length on the outside, Retained Asset with Brazos second last. Last of all is Egabomb. The 6-horse field races past the 2000, the Home de Villat corner through the back stretch. Mount Olympus about 6 lengths ahead of Momentum. Length and a half behind is Rosu, another 2.25 length away. Retained Asset with Egabomb now second last. Last of all, Brazos, they passed the 1800. Mount Olympus about 4.5 lengths ahead of Momentum. Length and a half behind is Rosu, 2 lengths away. Retained Asset, they passed the 1600. Length behind is Egabomb, half a length behind towards the inside is Brazos, still in the rear. They passed the 1400 now with Momentum now, the new leader. Suddenly Mount Olympus has drifted out to the outer railing and it's not galloping properly. Momentum now the leader, 2 lengths in front of Rosu, 2.25 length behind is Retained Asset, being tracked there by Egabomb, is on the outside. Another 2 behind is Brazos. They passed the 1200 at the halfway stage. Momentum is about 1.5 lengths in front of Rosu, another 1.5 lengths behind is Egabomb towards the inside. Retained Asset with 1,000 to go in this Interval Poonawalla Limited Trophy. Last of all is Brazos. Momentum is about 2 lengths ahead of Egabomb. Rosu is on the far side in the red and gold. 1.5 lengths behind is Brazos, now making a forward move, but struck about 4 of the railing. Retained Asset in the center in the blue and yellow. They already crossed the 800. Momentum 3/4 of a length ahead of Egabomb, being pushed in second. Brazos making headway on the outside. Then there's Retained Asset. Rosu has fallen back last as the hedge turns for home. Momentum comes in home first. About 2 lengths ahead of Brazos on the outside. Egabomb is on the far side. The rest are far away. But Momentum is still about 1.5 lengths in front of Brazos. Egabomb has been now switched over on the stand side, but Momentum with a furlong to go, till about 1.5 lengths in front of Brazos. Egabomb is on the stand side, but Momentum in the last 100 meters, 2.5 lengths ahead of Brazos. Momentum, the son of Mull of Kintyre, gets another win on this track from Brazos. After that is Egabomb. Retained Asset second last. Last of 5 is Rosu.